Okay, let's give this thing a test. And you can see the picture of the robot. Now what I really have is it's up on a lifted the wheels up so it doesn't walk away on me, but let's just test this out for a while and see what's cooking. So okay, we click the little arrow, do that one, we do this, we do all the functions, and we come here for the start. It's running. Run up to a wall here, backs up, but then it fails. Aha, what's wrong? Name error, It says look right is not defined. Sure, it's defined. No, unfortunately, I used a small r here instead of a big R. So let's fix that. Let's see what happens. Let's go back to this, test it again. The rest of it should be done. Oh no, I ran out of time because the time was clicking along. Okay, so we start again. Let's go back up to the top. I might as well. Then you know for sure it's going to be okay. So we do that. Click, click, click. It's running. Well, that part's working. Okay, we come up, get the flashing lights and all that. It's spinning back and forth and so forth. Let's look at it again. Yeah, it looks pretty good. There's hardly a definitive test, but at least things are functioning. The variables are spelled reasonably well, so this should run out of time and should say 30 seconds and pretty soon, and sure enough, there it is. Time expired because we did print it. So we're in pretty good shape. I think I will stop this video and assume that it will work, but you need to really test it. In fact, I'll do another video and put it on a floor and make sure everything is proper for you. But really, you know, it's like any program. I can only help you so far. You're going to have to make sure it works and does what you want. You're going to make sure it turns at the right angles and so forth. And that's one of the reasons we have these little variables in here, is you can change these around. Is 3 inches correct? Is 6? Is -2? Is that what you want? Is it going to be 90? Because left turn and right turn, I guarantee you, will be different. So have fun. You're in good shape if you've gotten this far.